Hi, good morning. Oh, good morning for me.
Hey, good morning for you, yes.
Yes, I'm really excited.
What usually gives you trouble?
Might have something happening in my inner tube. I feel crackling. I feel like it's blocked a little bit.
Do you feel pain?
Not severe pain, but maybe here and there a throb, like
Okay.
discomfort. Yeah, and migraines. I get a lot of migraines.
So a lot in the head area. Okay, so we're going in. Here we go. And I'm just going to have you turn your head so I can get a view of your ear. I'm going to go in through the ear. Perfect. And just let me know if you can feel anything. Sometimes people can feel some tingling, some temperature change.
I can feel a little bit of tingling.
Oh, excellent. That's great. All right, went deep into the ear, and now I'm going to have you turn your face towards me again. It's now starting to work like up to your third eye, through the whole head.